Hi, my name is Onyinye and I'll be making a presentation of my Project 3 work, which is the summary or the dashboard. So this is it. It contains it contains several charts showing the average of customer satisfaction rating, quality of service received, sum of average transaction, and then the geographical location where to know where these customers are more from. From here, for Nigeria, we can see that favorite class timing, offline classes, online classes, a combination of online and offline classes. For the United Kingdom, favorite class timing was more of online classes, quality of service received excellent. For Canada, quality of service, average transaction 4.2, which is a good average. Quality of class, favorite class timing rather, online classes. For Paris, online classes. So from this, it can be deduced that for advanced countries that have better power supply and stable network, it can be deduced that for countries like that, their best service is the online service, online classes. Unlike countries like Nigeria that have very crippled power supply and unstable network, that makes it impossible for people to enjoy the online classes, so they tend towards offline classes. And then there are busy professionals that might not have time to attend physical classes but would prefer to go for the online classes, but because of the nature of the country's power supply and network supply, they tend to do a combination of both. So what I would recommend is for countries like Nigeria to make it more of an offline class, and then if at all there will be an online class, that we shouldn't make the attendance 75% or 80%. We shouldn't put the attendance on a very high side, but rather reduce the attendance, because obviously to do online courses or online trainings, attendance rates is part of the things that is needed for them to grade you. For countries like Nigeria, what we do is to ensure that the attendance rate is on a minimal level, probably 50%, to give them benefits of doubt, and then make offline presence compulsory for them, or better still, do recorded sessions of each classes and send to them. That way they don't always have to be online, and then they don't get easily affected by the power or network. They can just come and download whatever they have and then watch it. Also, it was observed that the favorite department was the IT department. So it is advised that quarterly we do like a review of the things in our department, to look into great areas that are lacking. We send surveys every quarter to customers so that we will know the things that we are lagging behind, and then we work towards effecting those corrections, so that every month when we do our surveys, we also check if those things they complained about, if we have solved them, or if they are still there, or if they are improvements, or if we are still lagging behind. So that will be all. Thank you for listening to me, and for watching this presentation, and for watching it too. Thank you.